Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing what the app needs. Install Google Pay and sign in with your Google account. Once done, open Payments and choose Add Bank Account or Create UPI ID. This does not require an ATM card. You'll enter your bank account number and IFSC or select an existing UPI ID to link. Make sure your phone number matches the bank on file so the app can fetch account details automatically and send an OTP for verification. Now you create and verify UPI to enable payments. Choose your bank from the list. Google Pay will fetch your account using SMS-based verification. Once the account appears, tap to create a UPI PIN. This step often asks for last 6 digits of any debit card. If you don't have one, pick the OTP or net banking verification option instead. Enter a secure 6-digit PIN, confirm it, and the app links your account so you can pay without using an ATM card. To complete payments, select Pay, scan QR, or choose a contact. Enter the amount and approve with your UPI PIN. Once authorized, the transaction goes through without any ATM card. If linking or payments fail, first confirm SMS permissions and that your phone number matches the one the bank has. Many failures come from mismatched numbers or blocked SMS. If problems persist, reinstall the app, retry verification, and if needed, contact your bank.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.